This is how you make Jello with homewood. First, you want to get 2 cups of boiling water. Then add in your orange Jello dust. Make sure it sets really good in the into the hot bowl. And then mix very, very softly with the hot. Mix until you see no textures in your spoon. And also, if it has this liquefied texture. And then add 2 cups cold water. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. And then mix very softly, also it's gonna spill. Or depending if you have a big bowl, then it won't. And if you want, you can take a sip, because now it's not boiling hot anymore. Take out my shot. And then do a little more mixing, and then add it into your add it into your other bowl where it will eventually freeze. If you have more, I'll cut this out. If you have even more liquid, then you have to put it in more bowls. As in, like this one right here. Now we have to and then, since that's 1 cup, we have to add it to 1 more cup. Which let me go grab real quick. Let me go grab. Pop that open. And then it should fit the rest inside the cup. Oh, I accidentally spilled it a lot. Then put on the tops. Don't forget to refrigerate!